Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your business skills with Khan Academy, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Khan Academy website at www.khanacademy.org. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button in the top right corner. Choose to register using your email address or link your existing Google or Facebook account. Complete the registration form by providing the necessary information. Once registered, log in to your new account. On the home page, navigate to the search bar located at the top. Type in business skills and press enter to explore available courses. Browse through the list of courses related to business concepts. Select a course that aligns with your specific interests or skills you wish to improve. Click on the course title to access the course content. Review the course description and objectives to ensure it meets your needs. Click on the Start or Continue button to begin the course. Watch the instructional videos and take notes on key concepts. Engage with the interactive exercises to reinforce your learning. Make use of the discussion forums to ask questions or connect with other learners. Track your progress by monitoring the percentage of completion displayed on your dashboard. Set achievable goals for completing modules and stick to a consistent study schedule. Utilize additional resources, such as articles and practice problems, linked within the course. Make sure to revisit challenging topics for a deeper understanding. Consider exploring related courses to broaden your business knowledge further. Take advantage of the mobile app for learning on the go. Reflect on what you've learned and how you can apply these skills in your business. Keep revisiting Khan Academy regularly to stay updated with new content and courses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.